Are you eating chia seeds the wrong way? Because most people are not getting any result, even after using them daily. But today I'll show you the correct way to use chia seeds for weight loss, glowing skin, and faster hair growth. And trust me, the results will surprise you. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I share simple and effective natural remedies that actually work. So if you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more What are chia seeds and why are they so powerful. Chia seeds are tiny black seeds, but don't underestimate them. They are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, calcium, and antioxidants. In fact, just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains a high amount of fiber that helps clean your digestive system. The most amazing thing is, they can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water. That's why when you soak them, they turn into a gel-like texture, which is extremely beneficial for your body. Benefit 1. Weight loss and belly fat reduction. If you are struggling with weight loss or stubborn belly fat, chia seeds can help you naturally. When you drink chia water, it expands in your stomach and makes you feel full for a longer time. This means fewer cravings, less overeating, and better portion control. Also, chia seeds help boost your metabolism and improve digestion, which is very important for fat loss. Many people notice reduced bloating within just a few days of using this drink regularly. Benefit 2. Glowing, clear, and anti-aging skin. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals, the main cause of dull skin and early aging. They help reduce acne, improve skin texture, add a natural glow. Because they hydrate your body from the inside, your skin starts looking fresh, soft, and healthy. If you want that natural glass-like glow without expensive products, this is a simple remedy you should try. Benefit 3. Hair growth and hair fall control. If you're facing hair fall or slow hair growth, chia seeds can also help here. They contain protein, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids that nourish your hair roots and strengthen your hair. With regular use, you may notice less hair fall, stronger roots, thicker and shinier hair. It works from inside your body, which is why the results are long-lasting. How to use chia seeds correctly. Now this is the most important part, because if you use chia seeds the wrong way, you won't get results. Take 1 tablespoon chia seeds, add them to 1 glass of water, let them soak for at least 20 to 30 minutes until they form a gel. After that, you can add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey, mix well and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. This is the best time to get maximum benefits. Night routine option. Bonus tip. If you want faster results, you can also drink it at night, about 1 hour before sleeping. It helps detox your body and improves digestion overnight. Important tips and mistakes to avoid. Never eat chia seeds dry. It can cause bloating or discomfort. Always soak them properly. Also, don't take more than 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Consistency is more important than quantity. When will you see results? If you use this daily. In a few days, better digestion. In 1 week, less bloating. In 2 to 3 weeks, visible weight loss and glowing skin. Remember, natural remedies take time, but they give long-lasting results. So guys, try this simple chia seeds drink at home and see the difference yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more natural remedies. See you in the next video.